Verex AI has just launched, and it's already making waves in the AI software space. But before you dive in, here are 7 crucial things you need to know. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal why Verex might be the next game changer in your AI toolkit. First off, Verex AI is designed for those who want a powerful, efficient tool that integrates machine learning with real-world data to optimize your workflow. It's incredibly intuitive, and within minutes of using it, you'll see its potential. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or entrepreneur, Verex promises to simplify tasks and improve productivity. One of its most remarkable features is its advanced natural language processing capabilities. Verex doesn't just analyze data, it understands context and sentiment, which can dramatically enhance how you create content and interact with your audience. It's one of the first AI software tools to offer this level of contextual understanding, making it stand out from the competition. Another key feature is its automation. Verex allows you to automate mundane tasks, saving you valuable time. From generating reports to automating responses and even content creation, this software offers a wide range of applications. And unlike other AI tools, Verex doesn't need constant fine-tuning. It learns and adapts on its own, making it a powerful set-and-forget tool for busy professionals. But let's talk about the customization. Verex AI offers users a high level of flexibility, meaning it can be tailored to your specific needs. You can adjust its output to fit your tone, style, and even preferred formats. This is especially useful for marketers or content creators who need consistent, high-quality output in their own voice. No more generic robotic text. Verex ensures that your content feels human. What really sets Verex apart is its data integration. It can pull data from virtually any source, social media, CRM systems, and even proprietary databases, making it an invaluable tool for businesses looking to leverage AI in real-time decision-making. The AI doesn't just passively digest data. It actively analyzes and offers actionable insights to improve performance. However, it's not without its learning curve. While it's user-friendly, the full power of Verex lies in understanding its features and learning how to best leverage them for your specific business goals. But once you've got the hang of it, you'll be saving hours of manual work. Now, if you're wondering about pricing, Verex is highly competitive. Unlike some AI tools that have expensive subscriptions or hidden fees, Verex gives you access to all its features for a very reasonable rate. Plus, you can try it out completely free just by clicking the link in the description below. That's right, no risk, no commitment. To sum it up, Verex AI is shaping up to be one of the most innovative AI software releases of the year. With its ability to understand context, automate tasks, integrate with multiple data sources, and customize outputs to fit your exact needs, it's definitely worth considering. And before you go, don't forget to check out the AI software recommendations in the description. After testing thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I stand by. Verex could be the perfect addition to your digital marketing toolkit, but if not, there are other top-tier options to explore. Give Verex AI a shot and see for yourself why it's quickly becoming one of the most talked about tools in the industry.